welcome to the channel. Kid Showtime here, the Hype Beast bartender. And what I got right here, boom! Oh yeah, check it out, y'all. It's that strawberries cupcake ice cream, y'all. Using those cupcakes from Hostess, that new strawberry flavor. I threw it in the Ninja Creamy, and damn, y'all, this came out fire, y'all. Very ono. Show you how to make it. Let's go.
Anything you wanna do, I got you, baby. Anywhere you wanna go,
Flip a little line, y'all. Boom.
I'll take you, baby.
Bam.
Anything you wanna do,
I did the orange cupcakes, and those came out fire, y'all.
anywhere you wanna go.
And boom! Oh yeah, check it out, y'all. It's all frozen. Take a look at it. Oh yeah. Ooh, smells good. All right, y'all. Time to put in that Ninja Cream. Check this out. Ooh, look at that. Now that looks good, y'all. That out to the side. Scoop of this. Oh yeah. It made it much more creamy with that respin, y'all. Oh yeah. Look at that. Bam. Oh. Damn, y'all. Tastes like strawberries and cream. And then now at the end you get hit with that filling of the cupcake, y'all. Damn, this is fire, y'all. This is bomb, y'all. If you love strawberry and cream ice cream, or you just love those cupcakes, this is it, y'all. I'm telling y'all, y'all should try this. The next one. Oh yeah.